Rather, it's zaka 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 zoom tika dum bita tika dum boom boom. Literally, you can't get it wrong. Now this is our little baby. Gosh, we have 3 tips and tricks. 1 is external, the 2 is internal factors, and then the last one is the golden rule. When you're wearing a heel to walk beautifully like a queen, what should you as an individual do? Hey darling, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're brand new, I am SiiTHEMBS and everything is rainbow. I know I have not been here, I have not been around. Betunana ulife ngumgondini. Oh my gosh, yazi uJuly yilanyanga endimunce yandimuncisisa yanshiya ndilonyomfolo lekoneni. But we're in August and we're breathing, darling. As you'd have already seen by the introduction, darling, today I'm giving you tips and tricks on how to walk like a queen on heels. Before I even continue, darling, it is all about presentation, energy and royal attitude. Of course, you are literally elevated. The perspective is different. Act like it. I'd like to give a shout out to all the darlings that have been supportive on Instagram. There has been some of you out there that has just been hoying, doing the reposting, following Roxar, and they have just been commenting, coming back with more comments and just more comments. I'm just like, girl, I see you. So I do appreciate that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, like you don't know what I'm talking about, please watch this video. I'm just gonna put it up here so that you can listen, and all the instructions are beautifully, well, I think, listed on the last video. But if you brand new, before you even leave this video, don't forget, darling, to join this family. Subscribe down below and click that bell button so that you can get your instant notifications whenever I have colorful, beautiful, loud content for you. Okay, darlings, to the actual video. Let me take the heel. It is my old and one of my favorite heels just because of the platform, but I am gonna move away from this with growth and money. But for now, this is our little baby. Gosh, we have 3 tips and tricks. 1 is external, the 2 is internal factors, and then the last one is the golden rule. When you're wearing a heel to walk beautifully like a queen, what should you as an individual do? The very first tip with tricks, which is the external factors, I'm calling it foot security and body alignment. So when it comes to the shoe, you really want to start with the ankle. The ankle part, you want to play around so that it is malleable and you feel very comfortable with it, because you are about to strain it beyond its norm. I mean, usually your foot is like this and now you're about to angle it. So your ankle, make sure it is ready and excited to rest on a heel, because it is an actual heel. Beyond just the ankle being comfortable, you want to make sure that your shoe also fits. This does not fit me. I literally live here. So that is the best thing for me. And I'm quite confident, I know it works and I've worn it numerous times. If you're wearing a brand new heel, it won't feel the same, the experience won't be the same. So be conscious of that. It will be a little bit stiff because, I mean, it needs a bit of personality, energy and a bit of you. So once you've added all of that, darling, of course that's where the throne and the queen all comes in. But you have to, please, if you know this, have sweaty feet, or avoid wearing your heels with sweaty feet, just any shoe, genuinely. You know your problems, but nana, don't have powder, so that you are not weird. Please. The body alignment part of this whole thing, I'm not going to even stretch it. You really just want your posture. You want your vertebrae to be stacked on top of one another, just from one another, and you want your chin to be out there. Also, what I love when I'm wearing heels, to feel like I have control of the top and of control of the lower body whilst the top is moving, and also my feet, because when you're walking, you really want to be able to have every sort of power, however, whenever, and not just be concentrating on this. This is the magic of walking like a queen, where this seems like it's not there, but it's there, because everything here is presentation, is energy, and what did I say? Royal attitude. The second tips with tricks, darling, it's everything that is inside. Yeah, of course, the food, which is glorious to feed your stomach, but honestly, when it comes to the heels, you really don't want to make it difficult for you. Mentally, first of all, be calm, be ready, and see the whole beautiful vision and glorious presentation. But psychologically, literally, this is me.
I can do it. That's it, period.
If you go on those heels and that's how you feel about it, you literally, I don't think you have any other way of presenting it or delivering that exhibition, whatever clothes or whatever it is that you're on about. So when it comes to internal, honestly, it's just as important as the external. You have to just tell yourself, boom and boom. Before I even share my golden final rule, it's not even mine, it is the golden rule of those who can strut. Please, I'm opening the floor to you, darling. Any content suggestions of what you'd like to see from my side, or anything you'd like me to do, you'd like to see me trying, I'm literally opening this to you, my love. Darling, beautiful thing, flower of life. Comment on the box below and just, yeah. And the golden rule, darling, it's heel to toe. It's right, it's left, it's one foot after the other. And that is exactly how a queen walks. Ooh. Okay, basically, you want to be very confident with your approach. You want to walk knowing exactly the rhythm, and you can envision what your foot is doing, because with that, it allows you to just glide without really fearing. When you're walking on a normal basis, on your flat shoe, you don't think about it. But when you're on heels, you want to think of the rhythm, play the rhythm. Because when you're playing a rhythm of heel to toe, right, left, one foot after the other, it's zaka 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 zoom tika dum tika dum bita tika tika dum boom boom. Literally, you can't get it wrong with your little song, sa zestana sam, and with that, with your body alignment, with your foot being secured, with your confidence mentally, psychologically, you are within. There's no way for you not to be able to walk like a queen. Actually, I need to show you one more time how to walk like a queen before I leave you. If you are brand new on my channel and you've never ever seen this brown face, take a stroll on everything that I've posted for you. Darling.